Today we're making blue raspberry popcorn. All right, today we're going to be making blue raspberry popcorn. We use this gold medal product, Glaze Pop, and it's the blue raspberry flavor. 1.5 cups corn oil. 3 cups popping corn. We'll get that nice and hot and going. All right, we got the popcorn popping. Now we're going to add the blue raspberry. There we go. We got 1.5 cups of blue raspberry glaze pop in there. Get that all mixed up. Should start to foam up, as you can see. And we'll get that popping. Oh yes, really smells great. Smells just like blue raspberry. Really, really strong. That smells terrific. Pop up nice. Finish up all those last kernels. Kill the heat on that. Stir. Dump it. And there we go. We got our blue raspberry popcorn.